Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FlexOffers. Begin by visiting the FlexOffers website. Look for the Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the registration form with accurate personal information. Make sure to provide a valid email address for account verification. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, click on the Submit button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification message from FlexOffers. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the FlexOffers website and log into your account. Upon logging in, navigate to the affiliate section of the dashboard. Browse through the available advertisers and select the ones that align with your niche. Click on the Join Program button next to the desired advertiser. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. If you agree to the terms, confirm your enrollment by clicking Join. After approval, you will receive access to unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Utilize these links in your content to promote the advertisers. Regularly monitor your progress and earnings through the dashboard analytics. Stay updated with any new offers or changes by checking back frequently. Now you are ready to start earning with FlexOffers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.